Hey guys, my name is Davide, online known as Goat. Welcome to the third devlog of the Untitled project that finally might have a name. As I said in the last episode, in this week we would have worked more on the core gameplay. In the end, we did that and many more things. So let's get right into what's new. Because the player has the possibility of jumping onto floating objects, there needs to be something that prevents someone from jumping from object to object and surviving just by doing this. So now every furniture item will sink after an amount of time, as you can see in the video. Currently, there are different variables that control stuff such as the spawn rate of object, the water speed increment, and many more. To ease the testing process to find the right values, I've made a script with the variables visible in the editor. And from there, we started trying different combinations of values. After a bit of trying, we have chosen some that look fair and balanced. Keep in mind that those could still change in the future, also because we are thinking about adding different difficulties that of course will change those variables. Next, I wanted to start implementing a simple form of main menu. My objective was to recreate something that felt already like the main game. So, I went for a wall with objects falling in the water and then sinking. Sadly, I'm terrible with graphics, so for the moment there will be only these standard buttons and this standard menu that is quite placeholder as many other things. Another thing I felt like needed was a splashy particle effect when objects collide with water. I've experimented a bit with the particle system and created this placeholder effect. We also added some new models to the room, creating a place where you can see the water rising. Now, the Score UI is animated and has a really nice looking combination of font and colors. And we also added a trampoline that will make you jump higher when you're on top of it. Something we always struggle with when we create new games is the audio. It's really hard for us, unexperienced in the sound effects field, to find decent audio effects without paying a fortune. But after an intense search, we managed to get the first clips in the game. This includes footsteps and placing object sound. To avoid hearing something repetitive and add more dynamics, we got a pool of similar clips and we alternate them randomly. In the description I'll leave a link where you can find some useful royalty-free sound effect libraries. And, as last, we added a death screen that will appear when the water reaches your neck. As always, thanks a lot for watching. If you have any suggestions, remember to leave them in a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to keep up to date with the development.